Well, hello, William Williams, Philippines. Happy Father's Day to you fathers out there. All right, it is Sunday, June 15th at about 10:40 in the a.m. About to call my day. Actually busy last night and only had one room left at the end of the night, so boss will be happy. We've been happier with the other one, Paul, but hey, life happens. Uh, yeah, I'm ready to go to sleep. Trying to stay awake for a package. Apparently, Amazon delivers on Sundays regular now. I don't know why, but I have a suitcase supposed to be coming. Yeah. Anyway, the time is coming down fast for me. Uh, Got somebody supposed to come by Monday, I think, and look at the house. And then I think possibly Tuesday also. We'll see. I can't read the futures. I don't know for sure. But there's indications that somebody's supposed to be coming here. Supposed to. We'll see. Uh, Hopefully, this will get taken care of pretty quick. Because I want to make sure I'm out of here on time. So, the sooner the better, in my opinion. That's just me. Anyway, yeah, digging through and tossing stuff out. Actually, found a shirt that's in good condition. It's amazing how much stuff I find that I don't know where it went. I lost it. Then I find it, and yeah, more stuff for the trash can, but this one is actually not going to the trash can. That's a good thing. Found another one that's a fairly nice white shirt. Got a spot right in the middle on the buttons, or right near a button, or between the buttons. I'm horrible on white shirts. Yeah, it is what it is. Anyway, hey, Emmy, got home and finished off some beef ribs. I don't know if I'm going to be able to finish all that meat or not. Uh, yeah, looking in my freezer, I've got a lot more than what I thought I did, which is good. It's okay. I have friends that'll enjoy it. One way or the other, somebody's going to eat this. Got a bunch of canned goods and more pots and pans to go out the door. Yeah. I can say it actually gave me, her not being there Friday night, gave me extra time to get some more stuff out. And this means I'll only have to unload it in one trip instead of two. So, yay. Hopefully she does show up tomorrow because, boy, let me tell you, that stuff rattling around in the back of the car. Yeah. You don't know how bumpy a road is until you ride with something that causes stuff in the back end to rattle. Yeah. Usually think that, hey, this is a pretty smooth road. Everything's rattling around in the back like it's going out of style. Yeah, it is what it is. Anyway, yeah, getting notifications from the airline saying, hey, you've got a flight coming up. Yep. Uh, what else was there? Oh yeah, tinkering with the China spy laptop. We're gonna see if the next two updates will fix it. I don't know if I'm willing to spend much more time than that. We're gonna see. It is what it is. Anyway, I gotta get a few more things organized and finding all these uh, connectors and power cables and well, you know, actually that's a pretty good one. It's 40 watt or 40 megabytes per second at 240 watt. That can actually handle and charge and transfer data. And it's a good one. It's that Thunderbolt 4 thing, I think, or is it 3? Yeah, 4. It's a good thing. I've got several of them I got to get figured out. But my next question is what to do with this. This is this chewy uh, thing. Now, I left this thing backwards. I guess I'll deal with it. But yeah, the fact that the computer is a spy makes me wonder if that thing's a spy. It's kind of like with all those folks, juice jacking at airports and such. All those things are just little quick pop ins that, yeah, steal your data from the factory, steal your data. Just saying. I don't know about you, but yeah, it makes me question. And that Chewy company from China, yeah, I don't know. Anyway, I'm going to call it a day. It was a long night. It's been a long couple of days, so I'm going to call it. Anyway, William Williams, Philippines. Like, comment, subscribe, do your thing. It's your choice. Come along, don't. Up to you. Anyway, lots of food, lots of friends, and lots of family. I hope your weekend is going good for you. Oh,